At first, this wig was giving me a little bit of Michael Jackson, you know? But I grew into it. You know, I really like it, bro. I really do like it. Ooh. I really do like it. My lights keep falling, so get out the way. Move. Oh, get it together. I see you. Don't you fall. So, if this is your first time ever seeing me, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, we're on the way to 2,000 subscribers now. My channel is a place where you could be weird or lame. Bring all that shit over here, okay? We still gonna fuck with you because you family. So I'm gonna just give you my honest review on everything, and yeah, let's get into it. So the packaging, my hair came in this box that says Isee Princess. This is the front little logo and design. I really did like the design. I think Isee Hair has the best packaging from any place that I've purchased weave from. On the back, it's just their socials and everything. Yeah, so that's nothing really special, but I guess it's just like, if you like look good in your hair, like they probably want you to tag them and stuff. So inside the box, we have this. Inside are these lashes. So these aren't my cup of tea, you know, but I think every time Isee Hair sends me, you know, my hair, it's obviously lashes that come with it, but these are the biggest that they have ever been. You know, everyone obviously has their preference on lashes and everything, but I'm not really part of the big lashes movement, you know what I mean? I don't really wear lashes outside of these individuals that I have, but I can definitely see someone else besides me like wearing these good, you know, like this might not be a good look for me, you know, but I think these will look pretty good on someone else. So yeah. And there's a card in here, a thank you card. It says, "Thank you for your order. You made our day. We hope we made yours. If you see Isee Hair, please share with us your beauty and happiness." So yeah. The packaging was very, like I said, the packaging, like Isee Hair has the best packaging that I've seen so far. They really know how to make you feel special about your order and make you very happy before even seeing the wig. The second step is shipping. Shipping took a while for me because I ordered this wig before Valentine's Day, if I'm not mistaken. Is it before Valentine's Day? Yeah, I ordered it before Valentine's Day, but it came like the beginning of March. I think it's because their Valentine's Day orders, you know, they got really backed up. So I'm not really going to say that their shipping takes that long, because any other time that I order from them, it takes about like 3 or 4 days for it to come. So I think it was just the timing that I, you know, ordered the wig. But either way, like, I'm so happy with the wig anyway. Their shipping usually takes about 3 to 4 days, business days, I think. 3 to 4 business days. So for the last step, let's just get into this hair. I don't know where I was about to go. I'm gonna transition. I'm not gonna transition. I'm not. Now, like I said before, this hair is 20-inch Malaysian water wave. This is the best wig that I have ever purchased. One thing that I will say is the lace. Come on now. You see it. Actually, you don't. You don't see it. The lace type that I have is transparent. So this is transparent lace. Even though it is noticeable, it isn't as noticeable as my other wigs. Now, before this wig, I had 2 other wigs. Those are my first wigs that I've ever had, right? The lace was just normal, like a normal lace, like, you know, like regular lace. And it was very thick and very noticeable, you know. So I would be really weird about going out in public, not because like I feel like I'm trying to hide the lace or anything, but like it was so noticeable, and if I would try to pile makeup on top of it, it just messed up my whole hair. Like it messed up the hair itself. So this baby, at first this wig was giving me a little bit of Michael Jackson, you know, but I grew into it. You know, I really like it, bro. I really do like it. Ooh. I really do like it. I haven't experienced any shedding. Damn, I do be brushing this real hard. I need to stop. Oh my God. Even though this is my first time with this hair texture, one thing that I like about it is that you don't really have to do anything to it in order to leave and go somewhere. You know what I mean? Like you don't have to sit here and flat iron it, even though you could. You know, you could obviously flat iron it, but like you could just like, to keep the texture, just spray a little water on it, brush it. I know some people mix water and conditioner in it. I just been using water right now, but yeah. And I'm glad I didn't get it super long as I wanted it. But next time I'm gonna have to do that. I'm gonna have to get longer. So yeah, I really hope I'm not missing anything. I forgot to tell y'all it came in this too. So my hair itself, the wig came in this, but it was in the box. So yeah. There's something else in it right now. It's my other old hair. So I just put it in there. I didn't want to throw it away. I wanted to keep it to use. But yeah, this little pouch it came in is so cute. So that's all that I have for today's video. If I forgot anything, please let me know down in the comments, or you can DM me. All of my social media links are in the intro and the outro and the link down below. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more of me on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button. Once again, we're on the way to 2,000 subscribers, so that would really help me out a lot. You guys know I'm not good with outros, so